Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check recently downloaded apps on iPhone. And here's how it is done. First, let us open the App Store. Let us say you want to download a new app. Just tap on Apps and scroll down. For example, let us choose an app. Tap Get. Double-click to confirm, and the app will install on your phone. Now there are two places where you can see your recently downloaded apps. The first place is in the app library. Simply swipe over to the left until you reach the app library, and at the top left, you will see recently added. Tap on these, and it will show you all the apps you have recently installed on your phone. The second place is in the App Store itself. Go back to the App Store, scroll up, and tap on your profile icon in the top right. Then tap on Apps, followed by My Apps. This will show you a chronological list of all the apps you have installed, with the newest ones at the top. You can even filter this list by tapping on Not on this iPhone, which will show you apps that were recently installed but then deleted. From either of these places, you can open, delete, or even reinstall apps that you have previously removed. And that is everything you need to know about how to check recently downloaded apps on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.